Quantitative Easing and Proposals for Reform of Monetary Policy Operations by Scott Fullwiler and L. Randall Wray. Appendix, Data and Charts, Figure Number 6. Following Japan's path so far. In the United States, the Core Consumer Price Index, which excludes food and energy prices, rose 0.6% in the 12 months through October. That was the smallest 12-month gain since the government began calculating the figure in the 1950s. The chart shows the 12-month changes in core CPI, Consumer Price Index, for the United States and Japan in the years before and after housing prices peaked in each economy. As the text in the figure explains, the Core Consumer Price Index, CPI, in both the United States and Japan have behaved remarkably similar pre- and post-housing peak in the respective countries. Again, this is not to suggest that the United States will necessarily have 2 decades of sluggish economic growth. At the same time, particularly given similar policy actions in both countries relative to the financial sector, monetary policy, and stop-start fiscal policies. It is also not an irrelevant comparison. Note that the Bank of Japan carried out Treasury security purchases during the first part of the 2000s, far larger in size as a percent of GDP than the Fed is currently proposing.